Hi guys. Let's start with pop ads. Pop ads are the most popular advertising network thanks to its services to publishers and advertisers. It has very high CPM rates with easy payments and excellent support. Pop ads offers attractive advertising rates. With its publisher base and its large traffic all over the world, advertisers have an excellent performance while this service. Why pop ads? Pop ads counts the impressions of fully loaded ads. The rates are better compared to other advertising networks. The high rates of CPM and the quality of its services. Reliability has been online for almost 9 years, so a good reputation. No late payment, but you must configure the automatic payment limit to be paid. Automated payment, in automatic withdrawal mode because you have to set a minimum payment amount and in a few hours you will be paid. Daily payments, this means that it has a powerful fraud detection system, so you do not have to wait for your payments. Low minimum payment limit, $5. This makes it possible to test its reliability. Different methods of payment, PayPal, Payoneer to bank wire transfer, just choose your way out. Statistics of your live ads, this allows you to see your income. Anti-blocking code. Some users use ad blockers, but since this is a way of survival for many bloggers, Pop Ads provides anti-blocking code. However, you must change the ad codes because they are intercepted by ad blockers. Easy approval. No limitation of content or volume of traffic. Pop Ads support, by email. You can contact them as soon as you receive a request. Referral program. A commission of 10%, so an additional income. Pop Ads launched, in 2019, banners. These ads automatically open under the ad codes with your PIN, so no need to install code on the website. These floating banners come with a close option. You may not display these ads by disabling them from the dashboard on Pop Ads. Do you want to join Pop Ads? Follow the link on description and enjoy. That's all for today. See you in another video.